Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Dewalt Drill and Impact. I've had this for just under a year now, and I've put it through some good use, so I'll be giving my opinion as if this is a good set to have. This kit comes with an impact driver, a drill driver, as well as 2 batteries and the charger. It comes in a pretty nice bag, which I like to carry them around in, and then of course you have the instruction manuals. I did purchase one battery and the drill separate, but if you get the kit, you'll be getting exactly what I have here. The combo kit does come with 2 batteries. They are the smaller 1.5 amp hour batteries, but if you did need the extra runtime and power of a bigger battery, you can purchase the Dewalt larger batteries, the larger amp hour batteries, separate if you needed to. I do like the charger it comes with. It is not a fast charger, but it does seem to charge them in a reasonable amount of time. It does have these nice indicator lights that'll tell you when it's charging, when it's charged, if the battery is bad, or if the battery is at an incorrect temperature. You also have the capability of mounting this charger to the wall. Additionally, this charger also does their 12 volt batteries as well, so you can charge both 20 and 12 volt batteries on this one charger. Like I said earlier, I did buy this drill separately. It came with the battery and does have a 1/2 inch chuck. There is a 2-speed gearbox on the top, so you get your 1 and 2 speeds. You get a clutch, which I like. It seems to turn very smooth, pretty standard on all drills. You get a ratcheting chuck, and the end of the chuck is metal, so it helps to kind of add durability to the drill. In speed 1, this drill goes from 0 to 450 RPMs. In speed 2, you get 0 to 1800 RPMs. This drill has 300 unit watts out of power and is a brushed motor. I've definitely used this impact driver a lot for construction and engine repair. This has a 1/4 inch quick release and quick insert collet, which I do really like. You get the 3 LEDs on the front, and they do a good job at illuminating the workspace. This impact puts out a maximum of 1400 inch-pounds of torque. It goes from 0 to 2800 RPMs and has 3200 impacts per minute. This tool is fairly compact and lightweight, and I do really like it. I would recommend the set, but the one downside with Dewalt is they tend to have some pretty high prices. I would look at brands like Rigid, Ryobi, and even Makita, as they have comparable tools but at a lower price. I also prefer the battery system on the Makita power tools over the Dewalt, but that's a whole nother video. Both of these tools are well-performing tools, and like I said, I would recommend them, but the Dewalt prices I find are a little high for my preference. Thank you guys for watching. I sure hope you found this video helpful and that you enjoyed watching it. Please like and subscribe, as that really helps the channel and helps it grow and encourages me to make content for you guys. I'll see you guys all in the next video. God bless.